Okay, I'm so happy that I got stuff fixed yesterday because it did snow and it's gonna continue snowing like that. This is my daily routine of shoveling off the van with a ladder and a different kind of snow shovel. How's that for a snow wiper? The squeegee on that side works really good for the solar panels. Okay, I really just want to start this thing and see how it's doing. I haven't started it since I did an oil change, my first oil change on this. And the hood came crashing down and smashed in the AC condenser. So I fixed all that stuff. And now it's been about almost 3 months. Okay, so yesterday with the codes, I documented all the codes and I erased all of them. And it took the check engine light off. The other light was the coolant sensor. And it turns out it's just better if the coolant sensor is not even in there. That sucks. Somebody help me out with that, please. So yeah, now that the check engine light is off, I'm going to drive it. Yesterday when I drove it, it was in limp home mode. It didn't go over 3,000 RPMs and it didn't go over like 35 miles per hour. So hopefully with the check engine light off, it'll be back to normal. We'll see how it does today. Okay, since it's been a couple days and the check engine light, or no check engine light, but it's not revving over 2,000 or 3,000 RPMs. People are saying it's the MAF sensor. It's the little sensor on the upper turbo hose. So I'm gonna put the old one back in there and see if it's still doing the same thing. And I think I'm also might replace the lower hose back to the old one if it fits. Hopefully it's the same size and everything, because maybe that pinch hose is not allowing the correct airflow. Okay, I never finished because it didn't look like it went in there properly. But on one video, it says that it does not sit in there properly. That it actually sits wonky in there. This just doesn't seem to fit in the size. Nope, backside didn't go in. Yep, I must have a different tray because I double checked this and it should fit. It should be the right one and it's not. What the fuck? These fucking plastic pieces at the end, they're like not correct. And I just double checked it and it should be the right fucking one. Ah, what the hell? Holy moly, fit in there finally. Nope, back's not in. Dude, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Should be the right one. So I don't know what's going on with this. So people are saying it's this sensor, just needs to be replaced. It's a brand new sensor from Million Mile Sprinter. I wonder if just unplugging it, plug it back in. So that's a new sensor from Million Mile Sprinter, part of that intercooler and turbo kit. And could be it. It could not like the Bosch one. This is a Mercedes-Benz. But this plastic ring on it is messed up already. So it's still not revving over one, like not even getting to 2,000 RPMs with the new sensor. We're going to drive around the block and see if we're gonna need the hose. Okay, drove it around the block. I got power back, but I got a check engine light that just popped on. So I'm gonna run the code scanner and we'll see where that goes. Now that power's back, I'm gonna drive it into an AC shop and get that recharged up and correct. It looks like it does not like these Bosch sensors. It only wants the Mercedes-Benz sensor. 3 faults already on the first common rail on this scanner. Bummer. Seems to sound good and it was running good now. I can't floor it or else it'll just like, it's got good power. Since I unplugged the battery, the automatic doors lock now. I don't have a button on the remote, which would be nice, but when you push the lock button now, it actually locks the doors. It's pretty cool. And when you unlock one door, it unlocks both doors. It's kind of cool. Never did that before. So the code I got was mass airflow sensor. Kinda, yeah, we'll see. Good, bad, can't tell, don't know. That's that. It runs good enough for now. Oh, and I never, if I put this coolant sensor in, the light goes off, but if it's out, the light stays off, or the light goes on the dash. But if I leave it out, the light doesn't come on, so just leave it out.